17. $20. 22 jump shot, no basket. Number 34. Oh, it's line ball. Six minutes and 16 seconds to go for the fourth quarter. And we have now number 24 to number 27, got. Number 14, pushing foul. Third personal foul now for second team foul now for the fourth quarter. He got a shoot one shot again for number 20 of the San Roque, looking for his point. Yes, sir. It 6 minutes and 1 seconds to go. Number 2. Good, still there for San Roque. Number 17. Yes, sir. $34. Number 22, blocking foul of San Roque.
Inbound.
Nice shot there for number 16 of San Jose. Number 20 to number 17. Number 20 again inside. Number 14, no basket. Big rebound now for number 16 to number 14 of the San Jose team. Number 2.